Kamuntik na pong nagsuntukan ang dalawang congressman kanina mga kababayan sa budget deliberation ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Hindi kasi dumalo si VP Inday dahil paulit-ulit naman lang ang tanong nila mga kababayan at talagang tinatarget siya. Kaya sabi nito si Congressman Dante Marcoleta na tapusin na lang natin itong budget hearing tapos i-forward na lang natin para pagbotohan. Pero umepal ang mga congressman mga kababayan, sabi nila na hindi, tuloy ang hearing mga kababayan kahit wala daw dumalo ni isang empleyado sa OVP. At dito sa motion ni Marcoleta mga kababayan na tapusin na ang budget hearing, ay bigla namang sumagot itong si Gurang mga kababayan, si Paduano, yung mahilig mag-contempt. Kaya pumalag po si Marcoleta mga kababayan na hindi naman ikaw ang tinatanong, ikaw ang sumasagot. Hayaan natin na sumagot ang si Madam Chair Kimbo Luslos. Panoorin po natin mga kababayan.
The question is addressed to the chair. Why will the members answer that?
We don't have the authority to speak.
Parang barok pa mag-English mga kababayan, Paduano.
Why the chairman only speak?
Why the chairman only speak?
Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also member, just the same.
Ikaw ba tinatanong, Paduano?
Alam mo yun? Ganda ba yung chair?
Tuturuan na.
Pwede.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. Not only the chairman.
Umalis ka dyan, Garin. Hayaan mo silang mag-jumbagan dyan. Ito mga buhaya mga kababayan, 45 sila ha. Na ready, gisahin si VP Sara. Sugod! Marcoleta! Tusukin mo! Hinawakan ng mga kababayan. Tapos ang isang kamay, pak! Go! Sige! Order in the court Hindi pa kasi pwede i-order yan mga kababayan dahil naka-suspend ang session.
Of the president, vice president. Kung ano pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya.
Correct.
These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you.
Tama.
It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nangyayari na naman ngayon?
Dahil sa politika.
Talking of the office, not the person.
Go Ungab, go Marcoleta.
You may not like the person.
You
may
may
not like her presence here.
Correct.
But you have to respect the office of the vice president.
Si Paduano.
Because that is
ang durang Paduano.
Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the president. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition?
Ayaw kasi umamin mga kababayan na binago ang tradisyon. Sabi nila, patuloy pa rin ang tradisyon. Pero exemption kay Sara.
O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving.
So, terminate. Tapusin na.
Pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Panglabing 7 taon ko na po ito.
45 po sila mga kababayan na anti-Sara Duterte talaga dyan. Tatlo lang ang pro-Sara.
I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Castro. When the Vice President was Binay. When Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga. Kasi question na kagad Walang man lang...
We can read the record.
Lumusot pa. Gusto bang lumusot mga kababayan?
Parlamentary muna.
45 versus 3. Sino pangatlo hindi nagpakita dyan? Wala si Gloria
Congressman Dante Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. If the motion, then after that, Marcoleta will move that motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot We will let just Marcoleta to speak and then move for a motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung point.
The chair will answer.
Yes, you can introduce a motion, but have a member introduce it.
No. Before we move a motion...
I-zero budget nyo na.
The chair form parts of the proceedings of this committee. Anong house?
Para magmukha na talaga kayo mga hudas.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move.
Okay. Yes. Rulings of the chair form parts of the rules because it will set a precedent. So if we will set a precedent now that we are discarding traditional parliamentary courtesy, then goodbye parliamentary courtesy.
Goodbye parliamentary courtesy. Oh. Pati kay Marcos ha, kung wala ng parliamentary courtesy, pati kay Marcos.
Dapat answer your query or your manifestation. Then,
Paano member yung chairman na tinatanong ko?
Oh, chairman kasi tinatanong ko.
Wala naman natin. Yung hindi
Sige. Oh, ito po
pagdating
kasi
ng
yung punto ni Marcoleta, mga kababayan.
ating
Pakinggan natin ha.
Pangulo ngayon. Ang suspecha ko po ay dahil sa nangyari na mga pagtatanong nung nakaraang pagdinig. I have heard the volume and the barrage of questions asked by
Correct.
members of this committee to the Vice President. Despite the fact, Madam Chair, I heard her several times saying, I forgo the opportunity of defending the OBP budget for 2025 by question and answer, and I
Dahil
leave it to the
tradisyon.
House of Representatives to decide on such proposal as presented. That was the template of an answer given by the Office of the Vice President.
Loud and clear.
Napilitan po akong mag-raise ng parliamentary inquiry. I think I have earned this. If I survive my term up to next year, I would have survived also. Or I would have completed 18 years in this institution.
Tatargetin nito si
And in this
Marcoleta,
length
mga
of time,
kababayan.
I have observed a tradition.
Ay,
The
ulo.
tradition is
Alis ang ulo.
the two highest positions of government, namely the office of the Vice President and the office of the President, are not traditionally subjected to questions. I have observed this for so long a time. May I refresh the memory of the members of this committee, Madam Chair? In 2022, the Minority Leader, Honorable Libanan, citing courtesy to the office of the Vice President, took only about 13 minutes
Pati si Sandro, nag-cite
to
na.
move for determination of the budget of the Vice President. And after that, the Majority Leader seconded the motion. That was 2022, Madam Chair. Then 2023, no less than the presidential son, our own
Si
senior
Sandra
deputy
Choris
majority
Filpenco.
leader, the Honorable Sandro Marcos stood up
Sandra.
and invoked the long-honored tradition of according courtesy to the OBP, the Office of the Vice President. And in the same manner, he moved for determination of the Office of the Budget, the consideration of the budget of the Office of the President, Vice President.
Si Gagarin.
I also recall, Madam Chair, that it was terminated. And with the full consternation of Honorable Franz Castro, who then objected, but her objections were never heard. Until
Never heard.
She moved to make up record by way of manifestation her objection. But the committee collectively said, you can no longer do that because there was already a termination. This is the time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. For so long a time, we have kept and observed this. We have upheld this tradition. My question is,
Ngayon, bigla
is this
nagbago.
committee authorized to set aside or discard the
Buti
tradition?
nga, hindi po dumalo si Sara na boycott.
That is the question.
Your Honor, such motion was not introduced in the last hearing.
I'm now introducing the motion, Madam Chair.
I
To
second,
terminate-
Madam Chair.
To terminate the consideration of the budget
Terminate
of the Vice President, Madam Chair, on the basis of the long and time-honored tradition, Madam Chair. In order for us to respect a tradition in the same manner that we have respected the tradition here, that the first to interpolate
Go, Marcoleta.
every time is the member of the minority. That is the tradition. We have not yet discarded that. We're observing that because we are honorable members of this Congress. So the question is, why have we discarded that tradition? Is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? If we are not able to do that, Madam Chair, then I honorably, respectfully now move to terminate consideration of the budget of the Office of the Vice President, and I so move.
Second, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Tapos pagbobotohan nila, mga kababayan, kung ano ang desisyon niyan. Tingnan nyo. Landslide, mga kababayan. Oh. Nanalo ang anti-Sara. Grabe.
Move, Madam Chair, to move to terminate the budget of the OBP for 2025.
I object, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
I object.
Those in favor of the motion, please raise your
In favor na tapusin na ang deliberation.
hand. Those in favor of the motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, please raise your hand.
Tatlo lang.
Those who are not
Oh, ang tatlo mga kababayan, si Marcoleta, si Claudia Bautista, at saka si Ungab. Oh. Wala si Gloria
in
eh.
favor of terminating, raise your hand.
For non-tradition.
Oh, for non-tradition.
3 in favor, 45 against.
Oh, 45 ang kampo ng mga bangag mga kababayan. 45. Oh, anti-Sara Duterte. Sabi nila, for non-tradition. Oh, non-tradition na ha. Sige, hilatisin nyo din ang presidente, mga ungas.
The motion is lost.
Lost ko, mga ungas. Kayo ang lost. Lost na kayo sa yung mga utak. Anong masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan na nagkagulo na sila at nanaig yung mga anti-Sara 45 versus 3? Post your comments below.